Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right, hands up, hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Everybody in hole, let me see your hands up. Right now.
Morning. I wanted this to be very all aesthetic and cute and whatever, but I am late. Today starts Carnival season! And I have to collect my costume. I gotta go down there now. Another shirt that I want to wear is in the car because I don't really want to wear this. And honestly, I can't back on my hair. See, I don't want them to hurry up. Oh my god. Okay. So I need my ID. I also have a package that I need to give my bearer to drop off before 1 o'clock. Lord, be a fence, be a fence. I'm going to spray on this on my skin since this is not the shirt I want to wear. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. I'm already irritated. There's traffic. I know I should have followed my man. I'll come early, you know. I was going to leave out. From probably 11:15 and probably be like the first one there. And I texted someone and they said, no, come at 11:45. By 11:45, they text me and tell me that the light start. What do you mean the light start? Really? Alright, I need to put this camera down because I'm even mad up the road. Dog, yo, I don't like stupid people. Alright, so I'm here. I had to park far, which is already irritating, but whatever. Oh my god, I feel like I look like such a bum. I look like such a bum. Ew, this is so bummy of me. Now, it's a far ass walk. I don't want to walk so far. Oh, there was a parking right there. I could have gone that one. You were. Hey, what's up? I'm okay.
You alright?
Yeah. Hi. Wow, I haven't seen y'all in so long. Look who it is.
Shelbert.
Wow.
I got my things.
Period.
Good luck in there. Cause you're getting the big costume and shit, right? Yeah, I just have the little itty bitty. So it's just the t-shirt package. So I didn't have to wait. So there's like a whole like the metal queue where like people like wait in line, and then there's just a table to the corner for the t-shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, how are ya? Good to see ya. What you do this week?
Go on the road.
Yeah.
You see that?
It's been so long.
Really kept my photo, I see.
Yeah. They couldn't tell me at least do my ear. They couldn't tell me do my ear.
I never think you would have come without the ear too.
Yeah, come. I just want to come roof to front. Come on.
Come here, collect mine now.
Don't laugh up on the channel. Don't laugh. Get what the laughing from now.
No, I should have laughed off a mention and laugh off a you.
No, I should laugh. No? When I wrote in there.
When I wrote in there.
Yeah.
Can I have a picture of holding up this camera?
Jesus, come look. Look for niceness. Wow. God is good. All the time. Queen. Alright, let's see what is going on. Okay.
Shoulder. We should get this long.
Alright. Huh? Yeah, me look. Head and shoulder, knees and toes.
I'd recommend checking the pants.
I'm going to try them on for sure. Anyways, that shoes they may have people because I don't have any. So I might just come back for it.
Again, just trust in me. I built it, it must have been. This world not enough for me. It's me and the chief singing off for me. Oh, good company, energy feel no function. This luxury, I can DJ somebody. Oh, the mommy's gonna eat you. T-shirt and fight. I would have been full.
Several hours later, and I'm finally done picking up stuff. This is what I was waiting on, by the way. This is what took so long, bro. This is what took so long. Mine ate. And so my costume back there. what is really on the agenda. My hair want to do. My hair is the beginning of somewhat of a fix-up day. Today is picking up the costume. I was supposed to buy shoes, but it kind of never made any sense because why were the people there at the booth but not selling the shoes there? They're directing me to go to the store. That kind of made no sense. But either way, I'm probably going to have to do that because I don't really have a choice. 2, I need to take in a dress to go to Fed Gala tomorrow. Fed Gala is another Exodus party. The heels that I guess I'm going to wear with it, I don't really like it. Not going to lie. I like how it looks, but it feels horrible. It does not feel good on the feet. I know I'm going to have issues with that, but what to do? What else? Thursday is tailgate, so I have to go to work. I have to go to Max Spot. Friday, I should be working with a hairstylist to do my hair because I don't have any other appointment, and that's the only day. So I need to get bundles. I've never even bought bundles a day in my life. I don't even know where you get bundles from, but alas. So, Friday night is also Exodus Remedy. That's the mini road march. Saturday, rest. Sunday is Carnival. Guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see. I cannot wait for you to see my costume. It eats. When I tell you it eats and it fits my persona so much, I'm so happy that that's the one I stuck with because eats down the details, and I love that on this costume, all of the arm pieces, leg pieces, whatever, I can wear them after Carnival. Last year, you know, nothing one minute after that couldn't wear again. These I can actually wear it in my everyday wear because if you all know me, you know I'm an emo girl. Anyways, enough talking. I need to go inside, put on the dress again, and see what needs to be fixed and carry it to the tailor right now. And Shanita just called me too, so I'm gonna go over there for a little bit, chill, and then go back up and clean. Come in for clean. Yeah. Good morning. It is day 2 of Carnival week. It is Wednesday. It's 10:43, so I actually had a nail appointment at 10, but I need to push it back a little bit. So I guess I will get there at 11 if I leave out now, but I low-key thought she was gonna cancel, so I didn't get ready yet. So ciao. Yeah, I'm just here. People, I know you guys remember this cup. Yo, that cup is big, you know? Cup big. Anyways, this Shami text me and say, check my cup. When I check my cup, me realize that the letter them I lift off. So I'm kindly gonna bring it back today and you know, see what's the problem, because I don't know why the letters are coming off. Either them never clean off this properly, or the adhesive is not strong, or I don't know what it is, but I want my name on this when I am on the road. I want when it drop, people take it up and see my name on it and don't thief it. Because if them just say Exodus, you know, it's gone. I promise you, it's just gone. So yeah, I need this sorted out. So Shania just called me back and said I can head out now. So I'm gonna take a quick little wash off. Later I'll comb my hair. I'm not combing my hair right now because, oh yes, today's Fed Gala. I got my dress altered. I got my dress altered. I won't show you guys that until later. The dress code is actually red and gold, but of course I knew about this event a month ago, and I didn't buy anything. I didn't even remember that dress code was red and gold, and I now have a silver dress. I have a silver dress with silver heels and a silver clutch. So that's what's gonna work. My nails, I am going to, honestly, I'm just doing sharp black nails because I can't bother. If you guys know me, I'm not really a Fandangos girl. I'm not a jewels girl. I'm not really a design girl either. I'll probably get a little heart on one of the nails or something, but Carnival is just one day. And if I'm gonna do my nails, I need it to look like something I actually want to wear after Carnival. So yeah, I'm going back to my short black nails. We're going back to square nails. I haven't had square nails in so long. Anyways, I am talking too much and I need to get ready, so I'm gonna do that. Honestly, I can't wait to fix up because I look horrible. I do not. It's melted out. I'm not looking my best this week. Not gonna lie. My hair is horrible. My skin looks horrible. Everything just looks extremely horrible, and I'm starting to feel a little bit away about it. I have my trusty dusty hat because it is going to be worn again. Yeah, I feel a little bit better when I have on this hat, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you when I get to the nail tech. Alright, so the nails are done. Relax. I'm in Tropical Plaza now because I'm going to go into the kick store. Yeah, I know, the same store that I said I was not gonna go in yesterday. I don't have a choice because I need shoes, so I am gonna see if I can get the shoes. I need a fanny pack. I have to go back home to clean up a little bit and then pack up my stuff to go back to go to Pegasus to meet Shami because I'm going to get ready by her for Fed Gala. I need to go to the house and shave my legs. After me wait so long, probably an hour, bro. I'm gonna eat in the car. I am extremely tired. I am extremely hungry. I'm eating in the car. Hey buddy, you close. Okay. I should have parked facing. Oh, but whatever. We're already reached this far. Okay. Hey y'all! So earlier I told you that I'm gonna come here and get ready for Fed Gala. So here we are. Yeah.
That's right.
Yes. And what about it? When is it then?
You can't do your makeup yet and you have to turn it ever blending like you feel like the turning and go into blending.
Yeah.
Like,
because what in the next up in the field.
right?
I think if a non-Jamaican is attacking her, they're gonna defend her. But if a Jamaican attack her, defend for yourself,
escalated really quickly
Yeah,
because none
like-
of that will be happening.
She not take out nothing. She not like to social media. She don't.
You know what?
Well,
I'm tired of being bullied.
Nobody that
Just
bully.
hold your ear, please, because you see, you know.
You want to? We can't be that meticulous right now.
But it needs to be very
One
flat
little
up here.
strand. No. More strand. Little strand.
Look at my ear. That one strand is out of place.
This is a very sleek
a delicate hairstyle, I'm not gonna
Exactly.
Wow. People on the castle. Them castle. Them castle.
Them can't still little bit.
Just a little bit of what. Okay. Over here. Over here. Up there. Yep. That's it. Out there.
Facing like that? Okay. You know what? You know what?
I'm so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. It was last flip. Okay.
Cut the camera.
Do it again.
I feel like killer. You know, super you go do.
This is no one.
Hey, I like the picture. Come, I go pop this up. Get a nice little flip.
You afraid for flip it? Oh yeah.
So these are the dresses.
The thing is red and gold.
Alright.
I'm already lit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready and okay.
Woman,
Put it at
Let
the
me see. I'm not this spot.
I am move.
Yeah, if you do it
You do
good.
it over.
Yeah,
Do it over.
do it over. Materials.
Yeah, they tried to tell me that about this dress too. Nice and good. Thank you. Yep.
I got a level for you.
Just remember the olden days.
Woo!
Wait, I'm okay.
What's that?
Okay, so-
Woo! Oh, this is a lot tighter than I had imagined.
It's neat though. It's neat.
Yeah.
Pictures.
Yeah.
We look so rich. So good. We look like we have a bald-headed father.
Yeah. I do have a bald-headed father.
Well, we don't have a father.
Oh.
Party like it's 1995. I just wanna dance all night. You know that I like it like that. When the party's feel like 95, I just wanna dance all night. Tell them to turn the lights down, let the party go all night long. We can go on and on. Let the party go on all night long. We can go on and on.
One thing about me, not the Nara Smith. The amount of times I've been hearing that as of lately, it's crazy. I just came from an event, Exodus Fed Gala, and boy, as you can tell, I am exhausted. Oh my god, I can literally just lift it up and clean under it. I love that for me. And tomorrow I can just paste it right back because I might have to just wear this hairstyle until I get my hair done. My makeup was horrible tonight. It's one of the worst my makeup has been. Everything was going right and I'm not really sure why. I think it's because I had limited space and there were people and me are rushing. Yeah, it just was not working out. How much makeup this is? You going to the gym? No sleep for the wicked? That's crazy. It's the next day. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's damn near 6 o'clock. I know. I'm in the same clothes. And yes, I'm an idiot. You know why? Because I have been busy, okay? Just mind your business. Anyways, this is what we're working. You see this? Look at this. It don't move. It don't move, bro. Bro. I'm gonna go to the hairdresser tomorrow. I got my bundles for my hair. So I'm doing it in a half up, half down. I've never done this style before. I've actually never gotten a sew-in before. So that should be exciting. The bundles, they're in this bag. I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. I got loose wave. So let's see what's in the package. Oh, more things coming there. Oh, wow. This is nice. That's so nice. So you get some thank you cards. This is a bonnet. Love. I needed a new bonnet. Oh, it's one of the ones that you tie. I love this. And it also comes with a headband. It's on my edges and stuff. No, I never just bought a bundle deal, which was the 2 bundles plus, or is it 3 bundles plus a culture? I'm not sure. I don't know. Got a 18-inch and a 20-inch because she only had one 20-inch left. It's loose wave. This is what she looks like. I don't know what I was expecting, but well, actually it's a or should I put this one down here and put the other one in the actual ponytail? Right now I actually should be looking for something to wear for later, because later is Exodus Tailgate. On the other event I'm going to until Carnival. I don't have it in me to go to anymore. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm not going to Remedy, but tired. So I'm actually giving a friend 2 of those tickets. I'm gonna tell her, yo, she and some other friends just take them and go on. Ciao. Last night I was just so irritated. I didn't feel pretty. I did not feel my prettiest, and I took one selfie when I came home, and that's the banger. That's the banger. I hate phone pictures, so automatically I just never like to picture them, and I try to edit them to the best of my ability to give it, you know, somewhat of a look, and horrible, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm back from Tailgate, drunker than a skunk. I made it back alive. I'm going to bed now. Well, I'm actually going to watch one more episode of Vampire Diaries and then go to sleep, because when I'm nice or drunk, I can't go to sleep right away, or else my head is going to spin and I'm going to have a hangover. So what I'm going to do is watch an episode, because I need to stay up and kind of stay active. So I'm going to eat a snack, drink some more water, and have some Tums. You know, the same Tums that I got in my Carnival bag. I'm going to have one of those, and then I'm going to go to sleep, because I have to wake up early in the morning to collect my booby from the airport by 9 o'clock. So I have to get up, drive to the airport, reach there by 9:30. Then reach hairdresser by 10 o'clock. And after the hairdresser, I gotta go do my lashes by 2. And after I do my lashes, I gotta go get my teeth cleaned, whitened, and put some tooth gems on. And then after that, I may have to go to work because I didn't get to go to work today because the cleaning lady was here. So I guess I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Morning. Very quick update. Yes, I am a mess, but I have to go to the airport right now. After the airport, I have to go to my hairdresser. I'm already late. Should I reach airport 9 o'clock? I'm leaving out at 9 o'clock. And God, he knows the traffic and everything. And then, I already make sure I text the hairdresser and tell her, say, listen, I'm going to be a little bit late because one thing I hate is wasting people's time. I don't want nobody waste my time. So I gave her the heads up that I might be a little bit late. I am running on E. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later.
I like this right here. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about you speak French now. Giving me a sign, so I gotta think it now. I hate you, how you do the one thing right now. On the east side, you know I'm with the thing right now. You say, do I want to watch? Do I know the time it is right now? Got to do it, and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me first. Come and see me first. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me first. Come and see me first. You won't ever come to me. You won't ever come to me.
Mr. DJ, so funny replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got when they dance for wanting some more.
The instruction. Ladies, if your friend not whining out when you bend over your friend.
Good morning. It's Carnival Sunday and it is 9 o'clock. Honestly, I should have been getting ready from 8, but I'm exhausted. Just a while ago, I tried to transfer all my footage from my SD card so I can free it up, and now my laptop full. So we'll see how that goes. I don't think I will film the process of me doing my makeup because I'm just doing very mediocre makeup because I don't have my eyeshadows and stuff, and honestly we can't bother go dig them up or figure find them right now. I'm already wearing a headpiece and everything, so I don't really want to do too much on my face. I just really need very dark eyeliner and I think I'll be fine. So that's what it is. That's what it is. My lashes are looking very atrocious right now. Why? Figure out some, child. So I think, why do I have this?
I gotta go.
You see, y'all see this face? Exactly. Honestly, I didn't do too much on the eyes. The mask is gonna cover it anyways. It is what it is. This is my workstation. I'm going to do it now, do a little transition video type thing and head out. Well, we're here. We look food. We don't know where the food them there. We're hot, we're miserable.
Who is the like? Nobody in the day how I can't direct over.
That's big and careless. So. Hi. Sure. Guess what I saw? Period. So cute.
How's your makeup on, guys? My makeup is sweating off.
How long have you been here?
Since the morning. Did you guys just came?
I came an hour ago.
Oh, so you're going to the second half. I think I'm gonna leave now. Well, it was nice seeing you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to your channel. Comment,
all that.
Yeah. Shelby over here.
Aww. Alright,
Yes.
so much to see about.
Bolo slush.
Chinese food, y'all.
Bolo slush. Yeah, look at my Chinese food.
It's giving brown stew chicken and rice and peas. Them say me get fish some. So let's escovitch fish. So let's see. I know you fucking lying. People. Wanna see? Look at popcorn fish. Oh, help. What to do? Time to go. Let's get
They said I was not doing anything, baby.
Yeah. He's not doing anything. Just the baby.
I'm not
It pays to be small.
I can't see. No, nothing wrong with my eyes. I just can't see myself coming to work today. I don't care what time of day it is. I'm drinking rum today. I'm having fun today. Yeah. Holiday. Today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not going to work today. Holiday. Today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not doing no work today. I'm on the road, yeah. To the beach, yeah. To the club, yeah. Pool party, bus crawl, up down, yeah. Downtown. If it's a birthday, turn up. Get drunk in the face, get numb. When we do that, come along. Drinks up and sing along. Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not going to work today. Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not doing no work today. Yeah, with the vibes that we pump.
I really don't know if you can see me, but yeah. I'm eating. It's a bad dog. It tastes good, but just have to wait till she don't make it for class, sir. I'm never want to poison me. I don't know, the service providers today had a real bad attitude. All of them.
I know I'm not even hearing that one myself. I mean, what a bad dog it tastes good. I'm glad we never class the lady earlier.
Is she have a personal bias? She does that in her own time. Get at work.
And with that being said and done, Carnival season has come to an end. My hair is a mess. My toenails are broken. I developed a very bad rash. I had to go to the doctor and get allergy meds. I don't think it was from Carnival, but it just happened in the midst of it all. There are a few things I do have to say to conclude this whole video and conclude this Carnival season. I believe I was a lot more exposed this year. So my first time jumping or playing mass was last year. I jumped with the Yard Master last year. It was a pretty good experience, except for the fact that I wanted to hear more soca, but that was partially my fault because of the truck I was following. It was a dancehall truck. But I was with people that never really liked soca, so there's that. This year I went with Exodus. I love soca, so I wanted to be more around that. I do realize that I didn't hear a lot of the old songs, or well, I can't say I didn't hear the new songs because I don't really know the new songs, so even if they did play them, I probably wouldn't remember them. But when I hear Toco Loco, when I hear I cannot believe I didn't hear Lucy. I didn't hear that. I think there were a lot of people on the road. I feel like the trucks were moving really fast, and you couldn't even get a chance to stop and actually bust a proper wine without somebody bumping into you and pushing you. The girl them not have no feathers, them not have no backpack, they not no wings. Etiquette. Why is it at 3-4 p.m. you still have on the wings them? Take all your pictures before. If you want to carry on the wings, please go put them down somewhere. Go put them back where everybody was meeting up or something, so you can take it home. But it's such an inconvenience to other people that just want to pass and have a good time, and your wings them just like box people in them face. Like, have little conscience, please. The servers on the truck, them that have no manners. Them that have no manners. So I'm very happy about the cup size that I had. So I only had to refill once, and I didn't even finish the cup on the second refill. So I was very happy about that. Now, and next thing, the lunch. When I say the lunch, I'm not even going to talk about it. Honestly. Me not going to talk about it. I really did enjoy my experience. I loved my costume. Last year, the line alone to go pick up the costume was extremely long. I was there for about 6-7 hours last year, if I can remember correctly. This year, if I was there for even 15 minutes good, I was there for long. Yeah, everything went very smoothly. I didn't need to alter anything on my costume. Everything fit perfectly. I was so thrilled because last year I got the size small and it was huge. Even people that were bigger than me got the small, or was it an extra small? Either way, it was big for them as well. So the sizing was very off with my costume last year, but this year, amazing. What else? I just think the process was a lot smoother for me this year, and I am looking forward to jumping again next year. Will I be going back with Exodus? Who knows? Will I be going with another band? Who knows? I guess we just have to stay tuned and see. But I really did enjoy my time with Exodus this year. I'm not like, when I never have to give me no sardine in the bag. Why not give a sardine? Why not give him a sardine? Seriously. Yeah, anyways, that was pretty much it. I loved the events leading up to. I couldn't manage to go Remedy. That was a mini road march before. Couldn't manage that. You guys saw how many events I went to, and I couldn't even vlog as much. Even on the day of Carnival, I did want to include myself more, not from selfie perspectives, but other people like recording me. But everybody in their own world, I can't expect other people to be doing that for me. So I'm sorry if it wasn't as I'm sorry if I didn't get as much content as you would have wanted, but I did my best. Don't have to sue me. I have thigh bag, I have this heavy big cup in my hand, I have my phone, and I have this camera on my shoulder, trying to make sure it no drop, trying to make sure nobody teeth it. So it was a lot going on, and I was also trying to have fun. But yeah, that is all. I hope you guys liked this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you also got this far, make sure you comment a green heart. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!